Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link Excel with AutoCAD. Now, this is really handy if you have to display like a bill of materials or some sort of item list or whatever it may be in your work on AutoCAD. It's fairly simple to do, and it'll save you a whole bunch of time as well. As you can see, I've got a couple of them right here. I've got two of these right here that are linked to this right here, and as you can see, these take on all the attributes that I have, on my spreadsheet. The colors, the fill-ins, the strike throughs, underlines, whatever you need to do, which is really handy. And even if you resize, if you were to pull that out like that, and come over here, see that, just split it even nicer. It's quite handy. Let me show you how I did that. So whenever you need to do this, all you have to do is just make sure first that you've got, at least something in Excel that you're going to bring over. And when you do, you just highlight whatever it is that you want to bring over, and then you're going to copy that, and you're going to bring it into AutoCAD, and you can either right click and go paste special, or you can do from the clipboard and paste special. And once you do that, it'll open up this window here. Now, this is where it's important. You got to make sure you check the paste link box and make sure that it's set to Microsoft Excel worksheet, and that's how it'll link it. And once you select that, then you just go ahead and hit OK, and it gives you your specify your insertion point. Just drop it wherever you need it, and you can actually just go in there and resize it, to whatever you need. And now if, let's just say I want to go and I want to change item 2 to a whole nother number here. Let's just say 47. Now once you do that, you come over here and click back in, automatically updates it. Change that to 47. And let's just say item 4 is a hot item, so we're going to highlight that. And there you go. Item 4 has lit up. It's a really handy feature, because like any changes you make in your Excel sheet, it'll reflect back over here in AutoCAD, so you don't have to do it twice. You don't have to recopy and paste. You could just copy and paste if you wanted to. So let's just copy that and bring it over here, and it'll bring over the same thing, but the only difference is the linkage. So let's just say item 4, 150. Now, when I click over here, you'll see that it didn't change in this one that we just copied and pasted, but it updated on the one that's linked. So that's where the link is very important, because if you don't link it, then and you need to change something, then that can get kind of tedious, because you might have to, you're gonna have to delete this and recopy it back over, the linked way. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. I have to do this on a regular basis, so I just wanted to put this out there for people that may not have known how to do this, or that it even existed. It saves me a ton of time, but that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful, and if there's anything else you want me to to put out there, just drop me a line in the comments, and I'll put another video together. Don't forget to subscribe, because I put out at least 1 to 2 videos a week. And thank you very much for watching.